Hey guys, it's Black Joseph from ONN TV Hacks. If you own an ON 4K streaming box, ON 4K Pro, or any ON TV device, you can control it directly from your smartphone. And the best part is that you don't need the original remote once everything is set up. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your smartphone into a fully functional remote. You'll be able to navigate menus, launch apps, control playback, and even access features that can be difficult to reach with a standard remote. The setup only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. To make things easier, I'll show my ON TV screen and phone screen side by side so you can follow every step clearly. First, grab your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Next, search for Android TV ADB mouse. Now click Install and wait for the app to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open it. The first thing you'll notice is the app's simple and user-friendly interface. As you can see, we're currently not connected to any device. To use the app, we first need to connect it to our ONN Streaming Device. To do that, select the settings icon in the bottom left corner. From here, you can either manually enter your streaming device's IP address or select Find Server automatically. For most people, the automatic option is the easiest. Simply tap Find Server automatically, and the app will scan your network and display your device's IP address. If you're not sure what your device's IP address is, simply head over to Settings, scroll down and select System, then choose About from the list. Next, scroll down to Status, where you'll find your device's IP address. Once you've confirmed the address, return to your smartphone and tap the matching IP address to connect. Once you've confirmed that the IP addresses match, return to your phone and tap Find Server automatically and select your device's IP address from the list. A prompt will then appear on your TV asking you to allow USB debugging. Simply click OK to approve the connection, and just like that, the setup is complete. You can now use your smartphone as a fully functional remote and mouse for your ONN TV. To navigate around the interface, tap the navigation icon. You'll see directional controls with up, down, left, right, and select buttons, just like a regular ONN TV remote. However, the real advantage is the mouse feature. Simply drag your finger across the screen to move the cursor freely in any direction. This allows you to interact with apps and menus that normally don't work with the standard remote. If you need to type something, tap the keyboard icon in the bottom right corner. You can instantly type on your phone, and the text will appear directly on your TV screen. This makes searching, logging in, and entering passwords much quicker. Overall, this is one of the easiest ways to add mouse support to your ONN TV without buying any additional accessories. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes your streaming experience a little easier. Before you go, make sure to visit ONNTVHacks.com, where we share the latest ONN TV news, tips, tricks, app guides, and troubleshooting tutorials. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest ONN TV tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.